So GoPro is one of the most common action camera brands when it comes to recording motovlog footage. I've been using the GoPro 10 for about half a year now, and I am going to share my analysis of the camera. When it comes to the resolutions, the camera is capable of recording in 1080p. You got 2.7K, 4K, and 5.3K. I have tested all these resolutions, and I can attest that these resolutions are recorded successfully as long as you have enough storage on your SD card. Just as expected though, if you decide to record in higher resolutions, expect your battery to drain faster due to an increase in load on the processor. And speaking of the battery life, so far it is the only complaint I have about this camera. If you decide to use a media mod, and even if you record in the lowest quality, the battery will drain within an hour of consistently recording due to the increased load of the media mod, which you will need if you want to acquire the video production elements that will elevate your videos. There are three main modes for the different capturing needs, and they are video, photo, and time lapse. I've mainly been using the video mode for my motovlog content, and I like how easy it is with the full touchscreen display to navigate about the camera. I also like the freedom that I have to be able to customize so much on the camera, especially the video settings. And speaking of the video settings, you can literally go in and create your own recording template. You can change practically anything, including the lens mode, your bitrate, your ISO, and more. Specifically, I want to mention a couple of GoPro features that I believe have been game changers. The first is Super View, which allows for a very wide perspective so you can capture more in real time. And the second one is Hyper Smooth, which allows for the stabilization of really shaky footage, and it is the best stabilization I've seen in an action camera thus far. It is worth mentioning that the GoPro is constructed to be compatible with a variety of accessories, so you should have no problem finding a setup that works for you. Overall, I think the GoPro HERO10 is a really solid choice for beginners all the way through experts in terms of recording your motovlog content. But if the battery life is a deal breaker for you, and I would understand that, you may want to look into alternative cameras or even aftermarket options, even if you still decide to go with this camera. I have linked the camera in my description below if you guys want to check it out. The rest of this video is just no talking POV footage so you can see how well the camera records. Until next time, I'll see y'all soon.